Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video you are going to learn how to add bookmark in MS Word. First you have to understand what is a bookmark. I will try to explain a bookmark by an example. Suppose in this document I have read to that point. So I want to add a mark that when next time I start reading, I may start from this point. So to insert bookmark, I will go in Insert tab, and here you can see bookmark, and you can add its name. Suppose I am putting mark 1. One thing to remember, that don't leave a space or use a space in the name of bookmark. So click on add and the bookmark is added. So I will close this document, save, and when next time I want to start reading from that document, I am opening it and I want to start from that point from which I have left. So I will go in Insert and then bookmark, and here you can see mark 1. So I will click on it and you can see it has come to the same point. So this is how you can add bookmark in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.